What is the fastest way to get relevant, authoritative, and middle school level friendly information? WorldBook Student, a digital research database that encourages inquiry-based learning, promotes critical thinking and research skills, and cultivates curiosity. Featuring content written with the advancing researcher in mind, WorldBook Student provides tools to aid in college and career readiness. Easy-to-read content can be seamlessly translated or read aloud, which aid in differentiation and accessibility. Engaging multimedia and embedded games offer fun, disguised methods of learning. Features such as the Biography Center, which offers biographies detailing the lives of thousands of notable historical figures, make this site a must-have cross-curricular digital resource. Interactive maps, an atlas, and the Compare Places tool allow users to further explore geography in an interactive environment. Collaborative research tools include a proprietary citation builder and integration with Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive, and WorldBook's own My Research, a digital folder that allows students to save content for later use. WorldBook Student also includes a How to Do Research feature, and web quests are available across a wide range of topics to take students and patrons on expeditions where they not only build upon foundational knowledge, but build academic vocabulary and make important inferences based on primary sources such as videos and art. To learn more about WorldBook Student and our additional resources, contact your local educational sales consultant or email us at training@worldbook.com.